You won't believe what's happening on Mars right now. Imagine a future where the dusty red planet becomes a thriving hub of agriculture, feeding not just astronauts, but possibly even sending resources back to Earth. This isn't science fiction, it's a potential reality. The concept of farming on Mars is gaining traction as scientists and space agencies around the world are exploring innovative ways to sustain long-term human presence on the planet. But why Mars, and how is this even possible? Let's dive into the soil of Mars, literally and figuratively. Mars's surface is covered in regolith, a loose layer of dust and rock. It lacks the nutrients plants need to grow, but recent experiments have shown promising results. Scientists have been simulating Martian soil on Earth, adding nutrients and testing various crops. Potatoes, radishes, and even some grains have shown the potential to grow in these harsh conditions. But there's more to the story than just soil. The atmosphere on Mars is mostly carbon dioxide, which plants can use for photosynthesis. But the challenge is the lack of oxygen and water. Water is another crucial element, and Mars has it, frozen beneath its surface, and possibly even in liquid form in some areas. Technologies are being developed to extract and purify this water, making it usable for both human consumption and agriculture. Imagine a greenhouse on Mars, with water recycled and reused, creating a sustainable ecosystem. But what about the energy to run these systems? The answer lies in solar power. Mars receives enough sunlight to power solar panels, which could provide the energy needed to maintain agricultural systems. Now, let's talk about the latest breakthroughs. In 2024, researchers have made significant progress in genetic engineering, creating plant varieties that can withstand the Martian climate. These plants are not only resilient to extreme temperatures, but also capable of growing with minimal water. This biotechnological advancement could revolutionize how we approach space farming. But why is Mars farming so crucial for space exploration? Establishing a sustainable food source on Mars is a key step towards colonization. With a reliable food supply, missions can be longer, and the cost of transporting food from Earth can be drastically reduced. This could open the door to more extensive exploration of the planet and beyond. Imagine astronauts spending years on Mars, conducting research and expanding human presence in space, all while growing their own food. And here's a thought-provoking idea. Could Mars farming help solve food shortages on Earth? If we can grow food on Mars, a planet with such harsh conditions, it could lead to innovations that improve agricultural practices on Earth, especially in areas affected by climate change and resource scarcity. As we wrap up, consider this. Mars farming is not just about feeding astronauts. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about innovation, sustainability, and the future of humanity in space. The red planet might just hold the key to a new era of exploration and discovery, where humans and technology work together to create life in the most unexpected places.